Hey, what's going on, folks? Well, I guess it's been a while since I made a YouTube video, and on YouTube you guys haven't seen this yet. So what you see here is my 2014 KTM 690 Duke. Now, when I originally purchased this bike, it was entirely stock. So what you see now has an additional crash bar, a couple decals, got a full exhaust. Yeah, so there was a catalytic converter, and that's now eliminated. That was getting a little hot in traffic. And I also have an Ixil Extreme exhaust. So the main purpose of me making this video now is so that I can basically give you guys a sound clip. I have a lot of requests for sound clips apparently. Nobody have heard of what this exhaust sounds like on a 690 yet. So here we go. This exhaust here, right now, as it came, it did not come with a Decat. That Decat came with a different exhaust system that I have purchased, and only that pipe showed up, and the silencer that was supposed to mate with that pipe, it got lost in shipment from Italy. So with that put aside, I got my money back, and I instead got this, because this is a new product that everyone has yet to heard yet. And so far, I actually really like it. Now, what you see here is a selection of baffles that came with the silencer. I don't have any baffles in it now. This little silencer makes it quieter than stock. Now, actually, let me backtrack a little bit. With the stock muffler that I have in the box over there, and eliminating the catalytic converter, the bike got significantly louder. But it wasn't a good loud, though. It was too high-pitched of a tone. Everybody knows what a single cylinder engine sounds like. It's always going to have like that thump. Now, I wanted to kind of eliminate that full-on thump, and I wanted a more smooth, low-toned sound. This silencer did the trick, and as you can see, I know it's hard without light, but it's a very good-looking exhaust. Priced pretty well too. I'll do a sound clip with each baffle in and no baffle, and hopefully you guys get to enjoy this video then. Okay, everybody, well, this is the sound clip with... Alright, this is a sound clip with the smallest baffle. Repeat. This is with the smallest baffle. This is with the largest baffle that comes in it. This is without baffles at all.